Okay, it's time that I finally do this, but basically, if you comment on, no, if you use this sound, I will comment on your video. So, yeah, if you use the sound, I will also comment, I will like, and I will subscribe to your channel. So make sure you use the sound if you want some likes, comments, and subscribers. So have fun, do whatever you want. I don't care what it is. It doesn't have to be this fake block blast, but basically, yeah. Just use the sound and I'll interact with your video. So have fun.